Welcome to a Disney point of view ride experience from the Magic Travel Guy. Today we head to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland Park for Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run, where you get to fly the Millennium Falcon on a thrilling interactive smuggling mission. Guests must be 38 inches or taller to ride. It includes small drops, thrills, darkness, and loud noises.
This thing is practically scrap metal.
Ride in the famous cockpit of the Millennium Falcon on a daring flight. And whether you're a pilot, engineer, or gunner, every role is crucial. The engines rumble as the Millennium Falcon blasts off, pushing you and your crew back into your seats when you jump into hyperspace towards adventure. Along the way, you'll face danger at every turn. Will your mission succeed, or will it fail? It's up to you. Find out if you have what it takes to outmaneuver the odds aboard the Millennium Falcon. Get ready to punch it. Never flown a starship before? Honda Onaka is looking for discreet flight crews to deliver a backlog of hard-to-find items to particular clientele. No experience necessary.
Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of it. It could be dangerous for the cargo. Well, and for the crew, of course. Primarily the crew, but the cargo. Oh, you got it? Well, can we sell it? Anyway, time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me. Flight engineers, repair desk. Hit your flashing button.
Oh, okay. Well, not the best.
Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down.
Oh, wow.
Watch it.
Sorry.
This thing will be the head. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
So much air.
Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent, now gunners. Shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they did, maybe a little something for Hondo, the pilots. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Where's the train?
Pilots, into the center.
Right. I'm
Do you see those big white trains?
Yes.
Would you fly through them? Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking. Keep shooting. I thought you had it. A gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost!
I'm trying!
We did not die! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We got company? Chewie's right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. He's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and themagictravelguy.com.